Hi students, today we are going to learn the new topic adverbs of frequency in our grammar book. Okay, adverbs of frequency. Okay, what is mean by frequency? Frequency means we can say அதிர்வெண். Okay, in Tamil we can say அதிர்வெண். See here, adverbs of frequency talk about frequency of an action or how often something happens. எப்போ நடந்தது, ஓகேவா? எப்போவுமே நடக்கும், இப்போ நடக்கும், அப்போ நடக்கும், நடக்காது, அப்படி டைமை பற்றி கொஞ்சம் சொல்கிறது. It is done about the action, ஓகேவா? Something happened. Frequency of an action or how often something happened. See here, there is look as let us look at the some of the most commonly used adverbs of frequency. See page number 20. This box is very important. These are the adverbs of frequency words. Okay, always, occasionally, weekly, never, often, normally, ever, yearly, usually. Come join with me and read, then only you also learn this. Hardly, hardly, generally, sometimes, daily, seldom, weekly, regularly, rarely, monthly, frequently. These are the adverbs of frequency words. Okay, there are some rules for this adverbs of frequency. First rule, adverbs of frequency have different position in a sentence. These adverbs can be placed before the main verb, which means first rules. Okay, rules. These are the rules we are going to learn. First rules for adverb of frequency is comes before the adverb, before the main verb, before the main verb. Okay, what is the first rule of adverbs of frequency? Before the main verb. Main verb ku munnadi varum. See here, I always, example, okay, example, I always wake up early in the morning. Okay, okay, I always wake up early in the morning. Okay, already we learned what is adverbs of frequency. Here what is the word? Yes, always is the word adverbs of frequency. Already we learned adverbs of frequency, always. Here what is the verb? What is the verb here? Yes, wake, எந்திரிக்கிறது. நான் what is the sentence here? I always wake up early in the morning. நான் எப்பவுமே சீக்கிரமா என்ன செஞ்சிருவேன், எந்திரிச்சிருவேன், morning. So here wake is the main verb. எந்திரிக்கிறது தான் இந்த சென்டென்ஸ்ல ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது. So it is the main verb here. It is the main verb. It is the main verb. See, before the main verb. Main verb ku munnadi varum. It is the first rule. Okay, what are the words? Always, sometimes, often. These all the words are come before the main verb. And the second one is, second rule is these adverbs can be placed after verbs such as, which means after verb. After verbs such as am, or, is, was and were. Okay, these words are very important. These verbs are very important. These adverbs, இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போற adverbs என்னெல்லாம்னா never, honestly. இந்த ரெண்டு adverbும் எங்க வரும்னா after verb. After verb means amக்கு அப்புறம், ஆருக்கு அப்புறம், isக்கு அப்புறம், wasக்கு அப்புறம், wereக்கு அப்புறம். இங்க மெயின் வெர்புக்கு முன்னாடி வரும். என்னென்ன வேர்ட்லாம்? always, sometime, often. What are the words? always, okay, sometime. Next one, often. Okay, here after verb. Okay, after verb. After verb means these verbs am, or, is, was, were. இதுக்கு அப்புறம் after the verb என்ன வேர்ட்லாம் வரும்னா never hardly. Okay, never hardly. See, Anu is never late for her class. Example, Anu is never late for her class. Anu என்னைக்குமே கிளாஸுக்கு லேட் ஆனது இல்லை. See, this is the word never. We learn it is adverb of frequency. See, what is the second rule? After verb am or is was were. So is here. இந்த வெர்புக்கு அடுத்தது வரும். So isக்கு அடுத்தது வந்துரும். Okay, this is the second rule. And now third rule, these adverbs can be placed at the beginning of a sentence. Beginning of a sentence. Beginning of a sentence. அதாவது சென்டென்ஸ்னா ஸ்டார்டிங்ல, at the starting of the sentence என்னென்ன வேர்ட்ஸ்லாம்? Yes, sometimes, and often. Okay, beginning of a sentence, sometimes, often. These words comes in the first starting of the sentence. See here, sometimes I go for a walk in the park. Often we play in the adjoining ground. Okay na? Next one. And the fourth rule, these adverbs can be placed at the end of a sentence. This one is beginning, this is end of the sentence. End of the sentence. What are the words here? Daily, frequently. Okay, these words are come at the end of the sentence. See here example, I go for swimming classes daily. In the month of June, it rains quite frequently. Okay, now look at the scale. Or box கொடுத்திருக்காங்களா? First one பாரு, from the top to bottom பார்க்கணும். ஓகேவா? டிக்ரீசிங் ஆர்டரில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க of their frequency. frequencyனா always, அதாவது பாசிட்டிவ் தாட். முதல்ல பாசிட்டிவ் தாட்லேருந்து நெகட்டிவ் தாட்டுக்கு போகிறோம். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ஆல்வேஸ். ஆல்வேஸ்னா எப்போவுமே, நீ எப்போ என்ன வேலை கொடு, நீ எப்போ என்ன ஹெல்ப் கேளு நான் செய்கிறேன். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ். யூஸ்வலி, யூஸ்வலி மீன்ஸ் ஜென்ரலாக பொதுவாக சொல்கிறது. ஓகே, ஓகே நான் செய்கிறேன், தட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஃப்ரீக்வெண்ட்லி, அடிக்கடி பண்ணுறது. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ஆஃபன். ஆஃபன்னா பெரும்பாலும், என்னப்பா இது இப்படி வேலையாக இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி. ஓகே, சம்டைம்ஸ் எப்போதாவது. அண்ட் ஒகேஷ்னலி, ஒகேஷ்னலி ஆல்சோ த சேம் மீனிங் ஆஸ் சம்டைம்ஸ், எப்போதாவது. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ஷெல்டம். ஷெல்டம் ஆல்சோ எப்போதாவது. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ரேர்லி. ரேர்லி மீன்ஸ் ரொம்ப அரிதாகன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க தமிழில், அரிதாக. ஓகே, ரேர்லி. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் நெவர். லீஸ்ட் லைக்லி, ஒருபோதும் செய்ய மாட்டேன், நெவர். ஓகே, from positive to negative thoughts it is coming. Okay, now let me move to the exercise, page number 22. Underline the adverbs of frequency in the sentences below. What is the first sentence adverbs of frequency? Yes, rarely. Underline the word rarely. And second, yes, from this box we can find the answers. Yes, regularly. Next third one, usually. Next fourth one, often. And the fifth one is occasionally. And second round letter, circle the most appropriate adverb of frequency in each sentence. See here, Prita amazes me. She is dash so happy and lively. What is the answer will come here? அவள் வந்து எப்போவுமே ஒரு அமேசிங் பர்சன், எப்போவா அவளை பார்த்தாலும் சந்தோஷமாக இருப்பா, அப்படி லைவாக இருப்பா, ரொம்ப ஜாலியாக இருப்பா அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகேவா? எப்போவும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு என்ன வேர்டு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? நெவர்னா நோ, ஒருபோதும் கிடையாதுன்னு அர்த்தம். ஆல்வேஸ்னா எப்போவும் அர்த்தம். which means, which is the answer will come here? Always. Circle the word always. Next one, I have dash seen him come on time. He is always late. நான் அவனை பார்க்குறேன், அவன் எப்போவுமே டைமுக்கு வந்துடுவான். ஓகேவா? அவன் என்றைக்குமே லேட் ஆனது கிடையாது, என்றைக்குமே கிடையாது, ஒருபோதும் கிடையாது, ஒருபோதும் கிடையாதுங்கிறதுக்கு which word we can use? Never. Never is the answer. Next one. Devika is a good student. Her answers in the English class are right. Seldom means it is rarely. எப்போவாவது தான் அவள் கரெக்டாக சொல்லுவாள். இங்கே என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கு? எப்போவுமே ரைட்டாக இருக்கும். Usually is the answer. Next one. Nooral and I had a fight in the second standard. I dash talk to him now. செகண்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கும்போது எனக்கும் அவனுக்கும் சண்டை. பட் நவ் ஐ டாக் டு ஹிம். எப்படி பேசுவேன்? எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் போய் பேசுவேன் சண்டைக்காரன் கூட? நோ, ரேர்லி, எப்போவாவது போய் பேசுவேன். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட். ஐ டேஷ் worry about the exams. I have studied well this year. நான் எப்போவாவது ஒரி பண்ணுவேன் எக்ஸாமை பற்றி, ஆனால் இந்த தடவை என்ன செஞ்சுருக்கேன்? நல்லா படிச்சிருக்கேன் இந்த வருஷம். Which means which is the answer? Seldom. Okay. Next, read the following sentences and circle the correct word order. Okay. Sheila eats dash with her group of friends. Always eats. எப்போவுமே அவங்க group of friends கூட தான் உட்காந்து சாப்பிடுவோம். So which is the answer? Always eats. Eats always வராது, always eats. Okay, next one. Always eats. Finished? Always eats means it comes under main verb. First, yes, see here. Always is the adjectives of frequency and verb. Which is the word? Eats. Eats is the main verb here. Okay. Now second one. Raju and Anirban dash to study together. Always meet up. Meet up always. Which is the answer will come here? Here two members. Yes, two members are here. Which is the answer will come here? Yes, always meet up. These also the same example. Always meet up. Next one. Anu does anything bad about anyone. Seldom says seldom. Which is the answer will come here? Which is the answer? Seldom says. These answer only. These type only. Next one. Sneha's answer in the class or right. Or dash. Right usually right. Which is the answer? Yes, usually right. Ava eppo sonnalum correct ah irukum. Rahul dash his books with him. Has always has. Which is the answer will come here? Always has. Next, Jose picks up Jose pick dash his friends while going to school. Which is the answer come here? Yes, sometimes pick up. Okay, next one. Fourth one. Underline the adverbs of frequency in the passage below, then arrange them in the decreasing order of their frequency. Decreasing order already we learned. What is the first one? Always. Second one, usually. Third one, frequently. Fourth one, often. Next, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, never. Yes, like this we want to arrange. Right? Next one. In the first line, what is the word here? Yes, never. Underline the word never. And second line, usually. What are the adverbs of frequency? You just underline. Second line, in the starting, usually. And see, sometimes. Sometimes is the adverbs of frequency. So, underline this. In the next page, page number 23, swimming at the sports center often. Yes, often is the word of adverb of frequency. So, underline. In the next line, frequently. Frequently. Martha, frequently. So, frequently is the adverb of frequency. So, underline. Next one. See, seldom. In the next line, see, seldom. Seldom. Seldom means rarely. எப்போதாவது. So, underline that word. Next one. Choose the correct adverbs of frequency from the box and complete the sentences. There could be more than one correct answer. Okay? It will use again and again. I am dash late. I am dash late. Am. See the second example. Am. Am. After the am, what will come? Never or hourly. Yes, which is the answer here? Never. Okay. I am never late. I dash arrive on time for School. Arrive. Arrive is the main verb here. Yes, arrive is the main verb here. So what is the word comes before that word? Always. So what is the first answer? Never. Always. And the second one, Sai is good at mathematics. He dash scores more than 90. Dash scores. Scores is a verb here, main verb. So before that what we want to use? Usually. அவ எப்பவுமே 90 க்கு மேல தான் எடுப்பா. So usually. Next third one. I dash eat at the restaurant across the street. Often. Next fourth one. I dash take a bus to school. Rarely. Next fifth one. My uncle dash allows me to take his dog out for walks. What will come? Yes, sometimes. Okay, next one. Given below are a few adverbs of frequency. Use them to make sentences. See here, first one. Rarely. Rarely word is given. Use before the main verb. We want to just listen to the instruction. எப்படி எழுதணும்னு பாரு. Rarely word கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Use before the main verb. Use before the main verb னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? First rule follow பண்ணனும். ஓகே? main verb இங்க என்ன நம்மளா சென்டென்ஸ் எழுத சொல்லிருக்காங்க. main verb க்கு முன்னாடி வச்சு எழுது. main verb க்கு முன்னாடி rarely வச்சு எழுது. Okay, this is your homework. Just I explain how to write. Okay? main verb க்கு முன்னாடி வச்சு எழுது. So it is first rule. This rule we want to apply in this line. Okay, next one. Always. Always ங்கற word கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Use after am, is, or, was, were. What is the instruction here? Word வந்து always ங்கற word கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. என்ன பண்ணனும் நீ? am, or, is, was, were. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி வச்சு எழுதணும். ஓகே? இதுக்கு பின்னாடி வச்சு எழுதணும். Which means is or am or was were. Then you want to write always. Okay, next regularly. Regularly is the word given. Use at the end of a sentence. The end of the sentence. Okay, regularly இத வந்து எங்க யூஸ் பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க? Sentence ஓட endல யூஸ் பண்ணனும் சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Next one. Seldom. Use before the main verb, which means first type. Okay, next is sometimes. Use at the beginning of a sentence. This one, this type. Okay, in the beginning you want to use the sometimes. Okay, next one we are moving to helping verbs and linking verbs. Helping verbs and linking verbs. What is mean by helping verb? A helping verb helps the main verb to indicate the time of an action. It also extends the meaning of a main verb in a sentence. Helping verb is placed before the main verb, which means main verb க்கு before na முன்னாடி இருக்கும் helping verb. What is mean by helping verb? Helping verb comes before the main verb. Before the main verb. Next, and now see here, what are the main verbs are here? See page number 24. Am, been, have, is, do, had, or, does, can, was, did, could, were, shall, will, be, should, would, may, has, being, might, must. Okay, I give you example now. See here, we will complete our work today. Okay, this is the sentence I am giving. Okay, what is the helping verb rule? Before the main verb. It comes before the main verb. See, main verb complete is the main verb here. So before the main verb will is came. So it is the helping verb. These are the helping verb. Yes, this how we can find means first rule is helping verb means it comes before the main verb. Next one we are going to see about the linking verbs. Linking verbs means links or connects the subject to its qualities or state of being mentioned in the predicate. It is just connecting the subject and predicate. It connects subject and predicate, which means in a sentence there is subject predicate. We learn in the 3rd standard, right? Subject predicate. ஒரு sentence இருக்குன்னா அதுல first உள்ளது subject, மீதி உள்ள எல்லாமே என்னது predicate. Okay? See here also we will complete our work today. So we only the subject. All the other things are predicate. So here we are going to combine. Combine means connect, join. Okay, join these two sentences using subject. Using this linking verb. Okay, subject predicate சேர்க்கிறது தான் linking verb. Helping verb na main verb க்கு முன்னாடி வர்றது தான் helping verb. Linking verb na subject ஐயும் predicate ஐயும் சேர்க்கிறது தான் என்னது linking verb. See here, underline the helping verb and circle the linking verb. Page number 25. Strong winds in this part of the village will uproot the trees. See here, uproot. Uproot is the main verb here. So main verb ku munnadi vandirukku. So will you should underline. It is the helping verb. Next one. Jenny's friends were very polite. See here, Jenny friend is the subject and were polite is the predicate. Joining word is the were. So were is the linking verb. So circle the word were. Next one. The boxes are in the back of my truck. The boxes is the subject. In the back of my truck is the predicate. Both are linking use the word or. So or is the linking verb. So circle. Next one. Austin is talking to Mr. Jain. Is talking. Talking is the main verb here. Talking. Okay, main verb. Main பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கதோ பேசிட்டு இருக்கான். So before that what is the verb there? Is. So is the what? Helping verb. So underline the word helping verb is. Next one. The toy shop has a huge collection of toys. See there, has. Has is there. Has is a toy shop is a subject and a huge collection of toys is a predicate. So here what is the linking verb here? Has is used as a linking verb. So has circle. Next one. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with the correct linking verb from the box. Arun dash the last one to go up on the stage. Arun was. What is the first answer? Was. And second one. She will dash happy if you gift her a storybook. She will be happy. Okay. Next one. Harry dash in a bad mood right now. Harry dash in a bad mood right now. What is the answer? Harry is in a bad mood right now. Okay, next fourth one. I dash. I means definitely it will come am. Next one. They dash in Australia last month. They were. Okay. Now let me move to the next one. Page number 26. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate helping verbs from the box. Okay, Lisa does painting pictures of animals. Here main verb is painting. So what we want to use before the main verb? Is or was. Both are the answer correct. Is or was. And the second one. We dash planning to take a bus to the zoo. What will come here? Yes, planning is the main verb here. So before that planning, how we want to write? What we can select here? or where, both are right. So or is also right, where is also correct. Next, third one, Ryan and his friends dash talking about goose. Okay, okay, which is the answer here? Yes, or where. Next, fourth one, I means we can surely write am. Next, fifth one, the team dash won 3 matches in a row. See here, main verb is won. So what word we want to write? Had. Okay, next one, read the following sentences. Write L against the sentence that has a linking verb and H against the sentence that has a helping verb. It is very easy, right? Before the main verb there is one verb is there, means it is helping verb. Which word is linking? Linking the subject and predicate is linking verb. Easy. See here, main verb ku munnadi vanda அந்த word என்னது? verb. Okay va? என்ன verb? helping verb. main verb ku முன்னாடி வர்ற word helping verb. subject ஐயும் predicate ஐயும் எந்த word link பண்ணுதோ, that is linking verb. Okay, now find here. Geeta is a student of Hyderabad. See here, Geeta is a subject. A student of Hyderabad public school is a predicate. So subject predicate appo link பண்றது, அந்த link பண்றது தான் what word is linking here? Is. So it is a linking verb. So underline is and put at the last L. Our grandmother is making cookies. Making is the main verb here. See, main verb. Before that, what is the verb here? Is. So underline the is, put helping verb H. Next one, Prem is helping his mother clean the cupboards now. Helping is the main verb. So before that is there. So underline is, put H. Next one, the sun was shining brightly in the east. Shining is the main verb. So before that was is the helping verb. So put H. Underline was and put H. I was very young when we visited Kashmir. See here, subject I and all those remaining part of the sentence are predicates. So was is linking the what? Both sentence. So it is linking verb. So was is the linking verb. Underline was and put L. Okay, see here, raining yesterday it. How we can write it as a sentence? It was raining yesterday. It was raining. Raining is main verb. Before that we want to give a verb. So we are giving was. It was raining yesterday. Next one, completed paper Sunny the. How we can write? Yes, Sunny has completed the paper. Sunny has completed the paper. Next, third one, think is not uncle well today feeling. How we can write it? Tinky's uncle is not feeling well today. Tinky's uncle is not feeling well today. Next one, my best you friend. How we can write this sentence? You are my best friend. Next one, Kiran Hyderabad gone to weekend for the. How we can write this sentence? Kiran has gone to Hyderabad the weekend, for the weekend. Kiran has gone to Hyderabad for the weekend. Next one, shifting we Chennai to. We are shifting to Chennai. How we can write the sentence? We are shifting to Chennai. Next one, in church girls the Sunday last. The girls were in church last Sunday. The girls were in church last Sunday. Here subject and predicate is there. First we want to make the sentence, then we want to find. Here main verb is here, otherwise subject and predicate is here, we want to find, right? Okay, next, this answer, the girls were in church last Sunday. Next one, walking in the Dhruv Park. What is the answer? Dhruv was walking in the park. Dhruv was walking in the park. I to the place earth cold has been on. How we can change the sentence? I have been to the coldest place on earth. I have been to the coldest place on earth. Okay students, I hope you clear about the topic. Thank you students.